Every Shiba Inu owner has to be aware of a new update that was released by Shiba Inu head developer Satoshi Kusama. We must carry it out as we get ready to introduce the Shibarium Layer 2 solution. So be sure to stay watching this video because I'll be sharing a number of more crucial updates. So be sure to keep watching. I need to quickly talk about the Shib Eternal update before we move on to the Shibarium update. We already know that the Shib Eternity development team updates the game frequently to give players the best possible experience. So, the game has received a fresh patch. Shiba 1.1.6 changelog is the name of the upgrade. It also introduces some fascinating new features. A problem that could have caused the game to crash has also been resolved. Consequently, if you enjoy the game, you ought to go check it out. An intriguing screenshot was recently posted on Ragnar Shib's Twitter feed. The message on the Shiba Inu Telegram that can be seen in this screenshot simply reads, "Keep the popcorn ready." You are not the only one if you are unsure of what this might mean. Toshi shyness speaking in riddles is nothing new, though. Anyhow, if I had to hazard a guess, I'd assume Satoshi is making a reference to the introduction of Shibarium. He presumably wants us to have our popcorn ready so we can watch the explosion that will occur when Shibarium is launched. Additionally, it appears from that communication that Shibari and Beta will soon be out. And a lot of others appear to agree in the tweet's comment area. However, feel free to express your ideas in the video's comments section if you believe it to be anything else. You would want to keep in mind, however, that nearly everyone in the Shiba Inu community and many people in the larger crypto world are anxiously awaiting the release of Shibarium. In fact, the dedicated Twitter account for the Shibarium network has amassed more than 59,000 followers. Therefore, it would be absurd for Satoshi to be teasing something else at this time. We'll just have to wait and see, I suppose. Let's go past that. Did you know that, despite the crypto market's clear difficulties, cryptocurrency achieved a new milestone in 2020, a positive one at that? Many take advantage of that as a chance to enter the cryptocurrency market at a reasonable price. According to reports from cryto.com, there are now an astounding 425 million cryptocurrency owners. The business explained that their analysis is based on a combination of unchained data from surveys conducted on Bitcoin and Ethereum as well as its own internal data. This analysis supports an earlier company's estimate of the number of cryptocurrency owners. Another company that recently estimated the number of worldwide cryptocurrency owners is AAA The Firm Approach, according to Bitcoin records. As of 2023, with more than 420 million users globally, we calculated the average global ownership rates of cryptocurrencies to be 4.2%. Therefore, 2022 will see a noticeable increase in the number of people buying cryptocurrency. Happily, a sizable portion of that increase will acquire chips. If you followed Shiba Inu last year, you would have noticed that thousands of people continued to join the Shiba Inu community by making purchases virtually every day. Hopefully, this continues after 2023. Resuming our discussion of the Shibarium Ledger, the top hardware wallet provider just declared that it will support the cryptocurrency once it is released. They answered yes when asked whether they would be supporting the Layer 2 platform by a Shiba Inu supporter, mentioning the fact that Shibarium is already on their plan. They continued by saying that we should keep an eye out for updates. Ledger is the world's top manufacturer of hardware wallets, as I have explained. It is astounding to think that they, like the rest of us, are waiting for the launch of Shibarium and have plans to join the platform. Additionally, if and when that onboarding does place, it will expose the Barium to a wide audience, providing it a much-needed lift. People with a range of crypto backgrounds may decide to construct their ideas on Shibarium as a result of this exposure. And in that manner will Shibarium develop. After that, let's discuss cheap, linear, and how to make money on this channel. People who profited from their Shib investments merely because they made their investments at the proper time have been discussed numerous times. But not all Shib investors who made Shib investments made millions. And the cause is straightforward. Many of them were paper workers who immediately sold their tokens when things got tough. If you are familiar with the history of Shiba Inu dropping zeros, you are aware that it started off with 9 zeros but later added another one. This extra zero must have frightened many investors into selling their tokens. Unfortunately for them, Shiba Inu pumped the very following year, and those who chose to hold on became billionaires. Having said that, I'm not instructing you what to do here. Moreover, this is not investment advice. Do your own research, of course. After that, there is an issue. An economist and investor just published a crucial graphic that, in his opinion, every investor should look at. The recently tweeted chart is a sand chart that shows the vibrant markets from more than 20 years ago. During the .com bubble, the market failed in at least 2 tries to break out. You say that given the strong correlation between traditional and digital asset markets, we might witness the identical situation play out in the near future as both traditional and digital assets are gradually approaching local resistance levels, which could support Barry's theory. In essence, this expert is suggesting that the cryptocurrency market may attempt to break out but fail, just like it did during the .com bubble. But would you concur? You might want to take into account something you said today as you are thinking about that. However, before we do that, every day, this station gives free 100,000 Shib to be eligible to take part in the giveaway. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I wish you luck, Shiban. Additionally, this channel now has a membership option. Joining provides you access to a private group chat with me where we can talk about success, money, and crypto gems. To join, simply click the membership button. Evidently, investors have less interest in hazardous investments like stocks, cryptocurrency, etc. Retail actors, on the other hand, gain control and start driving certain assets upward when markets are under significant pressure, and the bulk of institutional actors opt to stay out of them as a result of the high interest rates. However, significant changes cannot take place without institutional support. In the end, all of the extra purchasing power that emerged during a downturn serves as fuel for another downturn. Though I still wanted to know your opinions, please keep in mind that this is not financial advice. Moving on, a whale has just purchased a Shiba Inu token for $1.5 million, which is not CIB. It is clear that this purchase was made in preparation of the debut of the Shibarian currency. When you consider that this whale is buying a barn for the first time, this seems more conceivable. The price of bone has increased by an astonishing 70% since the Shibarium announcement in January, and it is currently trading for more than $1. Since you need a lot of bone tokens for that, it is likely that those who are purchasing bone at this time want to utilize them as validators or delegators on the Shibarium blockchain. Just in case you were thinking of acting as a validator or delegator, you would require 10,000 bone tokens. Anyway, let's talk about the Cardano founder one last time before calling it a day. Charles Hoskinson predicts that given the present political climate in Washington and the fact that 2024 is an election year, the legal landscape for cryptocurrencies may have undergone a significant change by 2025. This year, we have a window of 6 to 9 months. The following year for legislative progress is 2025. Prior to FTX, I'd estimate 2023. I now believe 2025 is the ideal year. Do you concur? Particularly in light of the fact that the US government has been monitoring the cryptocurrency sector for a time now? Please leave a remark with your opinions. This brings us to the conclusion of the video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to leave a comment below. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Please spread the word about this video to as many people as you can.